Good morning, Vietnam. Well, we didn't find our car, but we're gonna resolve in the parks to get my car back. No, she said it was okay. Yeah, she did. She said it was back there. This vacation is just not my vacation. I missed how many? Okay, first one is it was my card. I lost it. Now I got it back like right now. Then
you forgot a waterproof camera.
I forgot the waterproof camera and the hotel thingy.
So we have to go back and get it.
We have to go back and get it. What else?
And the GPS is just bad.
The GPS, I lost everybody yesterday. And that's it. It's not my day. Well, now we got the waterproof camera right there. Was that a long drive?
What?
Was that a long drive?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's both right here. I wish there was something there to put it, but no.
You can take this off and put it there.
Right here. Oh, 5-20 minutes in that memory.
Okay, let's take it off.
Alright, bye bye guys. Hey, we're stuck.
Put it back. Wait, put it back.
Ya, ahí va, ahí va. ¿Cuál canción es?
Sure. Alright, estamos. Vamos a ir al uno de agua. Hi. I'll go with the kids. What's up? Alright. Yeah. Kratos! Where's Amy at? He's right there. Let it rain. What's wrong, man? We're gonna go on that slide over. Oh, hi, Ashley. All right, ready to lose.
Ready, set, go!
Yes, son! Segundo place, second place.
Third place, I got third place. Hey, right here, third place winner.
Third place right here. Second place, first place.
Fourth place.
Woo! Get the finish over there.
Excellent.
Finish line.
I got third. Okay.
Huh? Okay.
No sé si estoy grabando, ya le piqué.
Bueno, tú dale.
Bien disparejo.
No importa. Salieron uno después. ¡Puchen, puchen!
¡Puchen! Todo, nice. Nice, very nice. Let's get the finish over there.
Excellent.
Hold on, I'm trying to go over there.
I will get this.
Estamos aquí todos. Checking the curls.
Look at your phone.
What's up? How are you? Hey, mom. Mira, ya se cayó mi tía.
Mommy, wait.
Oh no, stop.
Oh, now we're behind.
Oh my god.
Hey, mommy.
What's up?
Hello, is that Sam?
Where's Amy? Oh, it's over here. Oye, ¿no viste los niños que estaban haciendo remos y se cayeron? No. Chingón, chingón. ¡Boom! Ahora, güey. What now, dude?
What are you doing?
I'm doing all. Agárrate. Venga, 1, 2, 3. Ahí está.
Is it recording?
About to go down already. It's already recording. Oh. Una, dos, tres. Nos vamos a bajar.
Alright, I'm recording. Go!
Second day again, Magic Kingdom, the kingdom of all magic. Now it's around 5 o'clock, sun's down. Where are we going?
That'd be funny if you hit me with that in the eye.
That. They picked them up. They're gonna get in trouble. She's gonna get in trouble. She's gonna get in trouble. Nope. Nope. He didn't get in trouble. He was gonna. She already has the chills.
Really? I'm doing it badly for you. I'm stressed out. Like my bed is so
Let's go see the Mickey Mouse. Yay, Mickey. Yay, Mickey.
Yep, I told you. You gotta bring this back on play. Mickey, one more time. Can you bring this back?
Well, he's tall. Yo, 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 hey, hey.
Goodbye! Goodbye now! Oh, I can't wait until the next unpleasant day. See you then.
Incredible. He got skinnier from last year. Donald Duck.
We're gonna trip on the train to Alabama City. We go to those valves. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And we can make reservations.
Small children should be seated towards the
Are you taking a picture?
of the row. At least one responsible adult should be seated towards the open right hand side. For the courtesy of those around you, there is no eating, drinking, or smoking aboard the train. Our next stop on this beautiful journey will be Fantasyland Station. And those two will speed as the train going to leave the station, so please no more switching of seats at this time. And we are all aboard.
Howdy, folks.
Now I put my hands up, play my song.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. If you are just joining us here at Fantasyland Station with small children, please make sure they are placed to the left or the center of that row.
No.
With a responsible and only a responsible adult on the open right-hand side. There is to be no eating, drinking, or smoking while on the train. That does include gambling, fighting, biting, and swearing. Our next
We've been here waiting for like an hour and a half, waiting for the princesses. But we're next. We have to go get pineapple floats before the parade starts. We're all the way back there. We have 10 minutes. We won't make it. Picture time. Part of the parade. Part of the parade. Right here. Yeah, part of the parade. Right here, right in the middle. Right in the middle, right here. Boom. Wow. Okay. It's about to start in just a bit. Oh, ya están aquí. There's my mom.
¿Ibero?
Acá abajo hay maíz. Let's go, guys! Woo!
I'm gonna throw my hands up. Vinny, do you want to do this?
Me too then.
No, because you have to do it.
Así da. Oh no! Casi no se puede ver, pero ahí están. Ahí está Amy, Pedro, mi tía y mi tío. Oh man! Oh no! Come on!
Oh, it's right there. Are you
Here, wait, let me take a picture first. Now we're going up. Right there. Oh man.
It's here. Have my face on.
Ahí va para arriba.
We'll show you a happy place.
Now put your hands up, play my song. Hey, it's a party in the USA. Woohoo! Me dad. You got the wet his mouth, man. I didn't get too much wet. Look at that.
Is mine? No.
Nice. I don't know this anymore, but that was fun. We just went on the ride and we got wet. Fritos. Everybody, hello, hello, hi, hi. I am, dude. Oh, the donkey. It is on? Oh, I didn't see that one yesterday. I took my shirt off, guys. Oh, I thought that. And con la segunda. There. What's on my shirt? Let's go. It's your turn.
Oh, you took turns.
Oh! You have to say that. You're supposed to say that, yeah.
Oh, I touched you. Yeah.
Pero,
I
it has to be
did.
a slap though, right?
But also, I touched you then.
Pero, a slap though.
I touched you again.
No, it didn't.
I did with my thumb, man.
It was a tie.
I did it.
Okay, nice. ¿Otra vez? Who's out? Left two? Left. Tie again. Okay, so GG now. I'm out. Ahí estás.
One step, my ass.
I could have got it there, but I didn't. No.
Okay, this is it.
Okay.
All right. Mira papas fritas, okay?
Tonight, Alex Perez and Tony the Pony.
Oh, Tony the Pony.
Pre-order it right now.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have to go. We have to go fight them. We have to go home.
Texas Bigfoot, and
Yeah.
this is Alex the Palace.
And
Yeah.
that's Tony the Pony.
Pre-order it, $5 each.
Oh, nice. $5.
Awesome.
How are you?
guys are talking about your fight.
Yeah, and you're gonna record it.
And we'll take a shower first,
Oh.
and then we can fight. And together,
Por
they're
eso,
princesses of Belo
huh?
You guys should have seen the sneak attack.
I don't know.
You guys should have seen the sneak
It took like hours fighting.
That's okay. The referees are going to stop early because they don't go to sleep.